wonderful and very melodic etude for practicing double stops. This entire book is a really great introduction for violinists to double stops. You see, I think the problem is not a lot of people actually study the double stops the proper way. They just think, okay, well, add an extra sound, extra voice, that's it. No, double stops need to be learned completely different than just solo single notes. So don't treat them the same way. You have your bow distribution, your bow pressure, your bow precision works differently. The way you press these, shapes of intervals is different. Everything is different. So there's very few things that are working exactly the same way. So just try this book. I think you'll be surprised just how much you can learn, even from simple first position etudes that perhaps you overlooked because they look silly or simple. They're not, trust me. If you're enjoying the videos, please consider joining my membership, where I upload content that you're not gonna see, out in the open for everyone. I really appreciate your support, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.